While gender-affirming care for minors has been banned in Idaho since April last year, a battle in the courts has been playing out over a national ban. A federal judge in Seattle temporarily blocked President Trump's order banning that type of care. Bridget Chavez with our sister station in Seattle was in the courtroom for the decision and shares what this means moving forward.
The temporary restraining order puts a stop to the ban while all of this plays out in court, but this is just the first step in what could be a long legal fight.
I want to encourage all of the providers in this state, in the state of Oregon and the state of Minnesota, who also join this effort, to get back to work, to continue to provide the medically necessary care for their children.
Washington State Attorney General Nick Brown was met with a warm welcome outside Seattle's federal courthouse after a judge blocked an executive order banning gender-affirming care for minors.
We got an important message here from this judge today about the threats that were being made by the President of the United States to criminalize health care.
The order bans hospitals from providing gender-affirming care to minors and threatens to withhold federal funding from those who do not comply. The administration says this type of care includes puberty blockers, hormone therapies, and certain surgical procedures. Lawyers from Brown's office argued before Judge Lauren King that the order violates the Constitution. When pressed for examples of treatments available to both trans and cisgender patients, a DOJ lawyer struggled to answer and couldn't provide one. Judge King appearing frustrated, saying, "You're not answering my questions. I'm going to ask you to try to answer my questions."
What did you make of the argument made by the DOJ today?
It was a little bit embarrassing.
Advocates and supporters say they're breathing a little easier for now.
The word I would use is relief, right? Like, this is something that has already had material impacts on our ability to deliver care.
The next hearing for this case is scheduled for February 28th at 2 p.m. In Seattle, Bridget Chavez, King 5 News.